Good day, everyone. I am Harold Mark P. Guarte. Today, we will discuss about automated scoring system in language assessment. Technology has been revolutionized language teaching by offering innovative tools and methods that enhances learning experiences, from interactive apps and online platforms to virtual classrooms and AI-driven tutors. Technology provides personalized learning opportunities, real-time feedback, and access to diverse linguistic resources. These advancements not only make language learning more engaging and accessible, but also improves individual learning styles and accelerate proficiency development across global communities. How automated scoring systems in language assessment works. First, we have natural language processing, or NLP. NLP algorithms automated scoring system use algorithms to analyze, evaluate written or spoken language responses. These algorithms can detect grammar, syntax, vocabulary, and overall coherence in responses. Second, we have machine learning models. Machine learning models are trained to large datasets of human-scored responses to learn patterns and criteria used by human graders. These models can include supervised learning techniques where the system is taught using annotated examples. Machine learning models in language assessment utilize computational techniques to analyze and evaluate language proficiency. These models are trained to large datasets of language samples and assessments, learning to predict the classify aspects such as grammar, vocabulary usage, accuracy, and comprehension-based input, text, or speech. Third, we have feature extraction. Systems extract various linguistic features from the responses, such as word frequency, sentence structure, and use of idiomatic expressions. Feature related to content relevance, response length, and adherence to prompt instructions are also considered. Feature extraction in language assessment refers to the process of identifying and selecting relevant characteristics or attributes from raw language data that are informative for assessing language proficiency or other linguistic tasks. Fourth, we have scoring rubrics. Automated systems are designed to mimic human scoring rubrics, applying similar criteria to evaluate responses. Rubrics can be customized for different types of assessment, example essays, short answers, or spoken language. Scoring rubrics in language assessment are structured frameworks that outline criteria and performance levels used to evaluate language proficiency and skills. Scoring rubrics help assessors or automated systems evaluate language samples systematically and objectively. They are used to various assessment contexts, including writing essays, speaking tests, and listening comprehension skills. Fifth is calibration and validation. Ongoing calibration and validation process ensure that automated scores align with human scores. Regular updates and retraining of models are necessary to maintain accuracy and fairness. Together, calibration and validation help maintain the quality of fairness of language assessments, ensuring that the results are meaningful and useful for evaluating language proficiency or skills in various contexts. These processes are essential for enhancing the calibration and effectiveness of language assessment practices. This time, let's proceed to the reliability and automated scoring systems. First, we have consistency. Automated systems provide consistent scoring, limiting human biases and variability. Scores are replicable, meaning the same response will receive the same score every time. The consistency of reliability in automated scoring systems refers to their ability to produce stable and consistent scores when evaluating language proficiency or skill scores multiple assessments or test takers. Achieving consistent reliability in automated scoring systems is crucial for the adoption of language assessment. as it ensures fairness, objectivity, and comparability of assessment resulting to across diverse contexts and populations. Second, we have speed and efficiency. Automated scoring is faster than manual grading, allowing to quick turnaround times. Efficient for large-scale assessments where manual grading would be impractical. The speed of efficiency of reliability in automated scoring systems for language assessment refers to the ability to rapidly and accurately evaluate language proficiency and skills across large number of assessments. Efficient and reliable automated scoring systems play a crucial role in modern language assessment. By facilitating faster feedback, adaptive learning approaches, and scalability in educational and professional context. The third one is objectivity. Systems are objective, ensuring that all responses are judged by the same standards. Reduces potential for subjective bias present in human scoring. Automated scoring systems in language assessment aim to provide objective evaluations of language proficiency by relying on predefined algorithms and criteria. While automated scoring systems offer objectivity in assessing certain aspects of language proficiency, they may not capture distinction elements of communication or cultural context that human assessors can discern. Therefore, integrating automated scoring with human review or using it as a part of comprehensive assessment strategy helps maintain balance between objectivity and contextual understanding in language assessment. Now, let's discuss the limitations of automated scoring systems. First up, we have variation and context. Automated systems may struggle with distinction of language, idiomatic expressions, and cultural context. Difficulties in understanding and accurately scoring creative or unconventional responses. Objectivity in language assessment concerning variation and context refers to the impartiality and fairness in evaluating language proficiency across the linguistic variations and situational context. Objectivity in handling variation and context in language assessment promotes fairness, accuracy, and inclusivity. Second, complexity and depth. Systems may not fully grasp complex arguments, deep analysis, or sophisticated writing styles. Limited in evaluating higher-order thinking skills and critical reasoning. Complexity and depth in automated scoring systems refer to the sophisticated and details of language usage that the system can evaluate. Automated scoring systems use computational techniques such as natural language processing and machine learning to analyze these aspects in language samples. By assessing complexity and depth, these systems can provide nuanced evaluations of language proficiency across various tasks, including writing essays, giving presentations, and participating in discussions. The third one is bias and fairness. Risk of inherent biases in training data which can affect the fairness of scores. Potential to disadvantage certain groups of test takers if the training data is not representative. Scoring systems in language assessment aim to be fair and unbiased in evaluating language proficiency across diverse groups of test takers. However, ensuring fairness involves addressing potential biases that could affect the accuracy and equity of assessments. By addressing bias and promoting fairness in automated scoring systems, language assessment can strive to provide equitable evaluation of language proficiency, supporting inclusive and accurate measurement of linguistic skills across the diverse populations. Fourth, we have technical limitations. Speech recognition technology may have difficulties with accents, dialects, or poor audio quality in spoken assessments. Text-based systems may have trouble with non-standard text formats, handwriting, or poor grammar. Addressing these technical limitations requires ongoing advancement in natural language processing, machine learning, and linguistic modeling, along the careful calibration and validation of automated scoring systems to ensure reliability, validity, and fairness in language assessment practices. The fifth one is feedback and improvement. Automated systems may not provide detailed feedback for learners to understand and improve their performance. Lack of personalized feedback composed to human graders who can offer specific suggestions for improvement. Feedback and improvement in automated scoring systems in language assessment are crucial components that enhance learning outcomes and proficiency development. Feedback from automated scoring systems not only informs learners of their current proficiency level, but also guides them towards targeted areas for improvement. This process fosters continuous learning and skills enhancement, ultimately supporting learners in achieving higher levels of language proficiency. Overall, while automated scoring systems offer significant advantages in terms of efficiency and consistency, they still require careful implementations and ongoing monitoring to address their limitations and ensure fair and accurate assessments. So that's it for my presentation. I hope you learned something and thank you for spending your time. Have a great day ahead.